waiting here for my next student in her driveway. Leah. Her first hour today. And as you could see, we have a bit of a snowstorm. So, how much driving experience have you had so far?
Not very much. Like, I've drove around Coniston.
Okay.
Because it's not really busy there, but that's about it. And I drove home from, I work at Coniston Valley Mart.
How to operate the windshield wipers here. We're going to need them today. So it's this arm. And if you just want to pass it once, you just up like that. Just passes it once or twice, whatever. I think it goes one more time. No, maybe it doesn't. Okay. And then if it's just like a light rain or whatever, you just put it on one down like this. That's intermittent, and there's different speeds. So that's fastest speed there.
Okay.
That's the slowest speed. And then if it's a steady rain but still light, it'll pass consistently at a slower speed. And then when it's coming down real hard, that's your last setting.
Okay.
And that's off. So for now, there's also the windshield washer fluid. You just pull the arm towards yourself, wash the window. And that's how that works. It's pretty simple.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's go ahead and make a left turn out of your driveway.
Okay.
Yeah, with the seatbelt on.
Yeah.
Of course, last but not least.
Okay. So is it already in drive? Or?
So right now it's in park, and you have so P up here, and you also have P there too, just in case the sunlight is reflecting off of here. You can't see this one, but you can see that one.
Yeah.
Or vice versa, depending. So you got two of them. And right now, so it's in park. Press the button, foot on the brake first, and then you press the button, put it into drive, or D. And there you go. And now when you don't want to release the brake completely, just a little bit at a time, just to get out of the driveway.
Okay.
It'll start moving, you don't need any gas.
Okay. I'm just gonna let the kid go by.
Sure. Excellent. Yeah, a little bit of gas, there we go. And you know what, actually, let's just keep on rolling here.
Okay.
And if we just go forward here, you'll see there's a place to turn right. It's like a loop around.
Okay.
I think it's right here. Yeah. Okay, so this is flatter ground. We'll be able to adjust your side mirrors here now. So let's just stop right here for a minute.
That was a bit of a rough stop.
That's okay. You'll get used to it. Go ahead and put it in park. And press the button. There you go. Okay. So now notice, did you hear that little whir sound back there?
Yeah.
Like that engages your parking brake. It just automatically comes on. On your road test, if you're using this vehicle, what you'd have to do is verbalize when you put it in park. You say engage parking brake or something like that. You say parking brake, or whenever you put it in park, you use it.
Okay.
I don't know if are you using this car or?
I might. I'm
not sure. Okay. Well, whichever. Like if you're using your own vehicle, make sure if it does have the lever, go ahead and use it.
Okay.
If it doesn't, if it has an automatic one like this, verbalize to them, say engage parking brake.
Okay.
Yeah. Because they want to know that you know that you're supposed to use it.
Yeah.
We're just going to do very simple stuff today.
Okay.
Minor intersections with stop signs, yield signs, where to stop, how long to stop for, and who gets to go first. Yeah, so we have a little stop sign here. Really is a little stop sign too. It's
yeah.
smaller than the other ones.